this opens to everyone in the US. If you're one of those people, the first thing you need to do is grab the voice application for Android. It basically gives you the inbox at your fingertips. When you log in, you can see the text messages that you get. You can see the voicemails that you get on your on your Google Voice number. If there is a transcript available, it'll play right there. If not, you can just listen to the audio file. So I just let's play one real quick. Press play, and then do the little speaker icon here.
Yourself, testing things out for Androidica.com. Please give me a call when you read this message, because I just want to make sure that voicemail transcription works as accurately as Google describes it does.
So that's pretty much it. When you go to menu, you can send text messages. You can check your credits that you have to make international calls on voice. Also, you can change your settings, apply labels, and one thing that people often don't utilize with Google Voice is the shortcut. Now this can, when you go to shortcuts, you scroll down and you go to toggle Google Voice. This is going to be an easy way to switch between making international calls with voice, making no calls with voice, and making every call. When I press the button, hold on, let me see. Let me back up so you can see it. Every time I tap voice, you see the bottom changes, says do not use Google Voice. And when I tap it again, it says only use Google Voice for international. And when I tap it again, it says ask me before. And lastly, it says make it for every call. So get Google Voice from the Android market if you signed up for it. It's very useful. Alright, if you're like me, you change your wallpaper pretty much every day, sometimes twice a day. And if you're one of those people, I suggest you get this app called Wallpaper Rotator. It's basically a way to rotate your wallpapers. So when you turn this on, you can set it to take images from Flickr. You can set it to take images from your phone and only one specific folder. So if you keep your wallpapers in one folder, you don't have to worry about the pictures you take on your phone showing up as well. And then when you go to when to change, you can set it for as little as 10 seconds or as much as a week. Personally, I recommend not going lower than an hour, because if you change it often, it will eat away at your battery. So me, I keep mine at 1 day, so every morning I wake up, I've got a new wallpaper. Maybe you're someone who wants to change it a little more frequently. That's your business. Set it to 10 seconds. So when you go home, every 10 seconds your wallpaper is going to change automatically. You don't have to do anything. See, there you go, just like that. And then when you go about your business, you launch an app, you're reading your tweets, you're doing blah 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 blah, and you say, okay, let me go back to the home, and then just like that, hey, you've got a new wallpaper again. It's called Wallpaper Rotator, and it's available for free in the Android market. Okay, this next one is only for phones capable of running live wallpapers, so that's HTC Desire, the Droid, the Evo, Nexus 1, etc. It's called Anapet Koi, and this is a recommendation from JFalse33. It's very cool live wallpaper. It's very relaxing. When you tap the screen, it drops a little food in, and the fish go after and chase it. So it's like if you get bored at some point during the day, you just want to feed fish or whatever. It's pretty cool. Also, you have like little lily pads that you can tap real quick, and it's very customizable. If you want to change things, you just go back to where you go to set your wallpapers. You go to Anapet Koi, and when you go to settings, you can do things like you can change the speed of the fish, you can change the type of fish, how many are there, and you can even change the background of the image. There's a lot of stuff you can do. Just choose from your gallery. It's called Anapet Koi, and it's available for free in the Android market. There is another paid version as well. Alright, for everyone that's sitting in a cubicle somewhere, depressed at work, wishing they were at the beach, try White Noise Light. It's not going to get you out of work, but at least provide the background sounds that you get at the beach. Let's see. Now, some of you might find this annoying, some of you might find it reassuring, but there's a lot of background noises in here that you can use. You have actual noise, train tracks, thunder. And if trains, then you got the rain. If I can find that. Yeah, so if rain is something that's soothing to you, you might enjoy that. They've also got airplane, but I don't know anyone who feels comforted by the sound of an airplane cockpit, so whatever. You can do a lot of things with this app. You can start a timer, so if you listen to it while you fall asleep, you can say, okay, only play for 30 minutes and then shut off because you'll be asleep by then. You don't want to kill your battery. You can also have it to set an alarm so you can wake up to the sound of thunder or rain or whatever you choose. It's called White Noise Light, and it's available for free in the Android market. Play around with the settings and other stuff to get it to the way you want it to be.